If you've decided to delete your Twitter account permanently, follow these steps to ensure your account is removed completely. This process will guide you through the necessary actions. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Twitter website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're accessing the account you wish to delete. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings and Privacy section. You can find this option by clicking on your profile icon or the More option in a menu. Step 3. Select your account. In the Settings menu, click on your account. This section contains various options related to your account management. Step 4. Deactivate your account. Look for the option that says Deactivate your account. Click on it, and Twitter will provide information about what deactivation means and the time frame for permanent deletion. Step 5. Confirm deactivation. Follow the prompts to confirm your decision to deactivate your account. You may need to enter your password to finalize the process. After 30 days of deactivation, your account will be permanently deleted. Once you've completed these steps, your Twitter account will be on its way to permanent deletion. Remember that after the 30-day period, you will no longer be able to recover any of your data or account information.